Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cryptocurrency Miner. This is Dave. In this video, I will be discussing the current status of Bitcoin mining and its future. This is the best time to think about two questions before making a new investment in Bitcoin. The first question is Bitcoin mining still a good source of passive income? And the next one is, should I invest in mining or buying and holding Bitcoins? We will try to find the best answers to these questions by the end of this video. Let's start. The first thing that we should know is the relation between mining and supply of Bitcoin. For example, what is the maximum amount of Bitcoin that can be mined? How much has been already mined? How much more can we mine? The price of Bitcoin at the time of making this video is $9,102.69 US. The total Bitcoin that can be mined is 21 million, out of which 16,843,987 has been mined already. If we plot the equation published in the original Bitcoin paper published by Satoshi Nakamoto, we get a bar graph like this. Using this bar graph, we can estimate the total number of mined Bitcoin in any period of time. The graph shows the number of Bitcoins that can be mined decreases by 50% or is reduced to half after every 4 years. In the years 2009 to 2012, 2.6 million Bitcoins were mined every year. Then it reduced to half, that is 1.3 million per year for next 4 years, that is 2013 to 2016. Now only 0.65 million Bitcoins can be mined per year. Now let's do the mathematics and try to find out if the predicted number of Bitcoins matches the current data or not. So the calculation is simple. What we need to do is, this calculation is in millions. So what we do is 2.6 times 4 plus 1.3 times 4 plus 0.65, which is the total number of Bitcoin mined in 2017, plus 0.65 divided by 12, which is the Bitcoin mined in January 2018. So if we do this calculation, we get the value 16.304167, which is 16,304,167. This is very close to the number that I showed you just now. One more important thing to understand is the exponential increment in Bitcoin mining difficulty. Let's look at this graph. This graph is very serious. The difficulty is indeed increasing exponentially. The basic reasons are the trend of Bitcoin mining quantity, which we just discussed, and the more important reason is rapid increment in investments of setting up clusters of Bitcoin mining rig. Huge amount of money is being invested in buying and running the Bitcoin mining rigs. The number continues to grow at fast pace, due to which the mined Bitcoin has to be shared to large number of participating mining rigs. As a result, the miners get a small share of mined Bitcoin. The share is going to be small as more and more people are attracted towards the Bitcoin mining, because Bitcoin mining is one of the best sources of passive income at present. However, people are not aware that the profit will fall rapidly in near future if things continue at the current rate. Let's look into a real example. This is the graph I prepared taking the real payouts of last 50 days from 16th December 2017 to 3rd February 2018 from Hashflare. If you want to know how this graph was created, please watch my video on Hashflare. The link is in the description section. The blue curves show the payouts from 1 terahash before paying the fee, and the red show the payouts after paying the maintenance fee. Look at the decreasing trend of Bitcoin mined per terahash. On 16th December, the payout was around 0.00015, but today it has decreased to 0.0001 Bitcoin per terahash if we look into this blue curve. In just 50 days, the quantity of mined Bitcoin per terahash has decreased by 33%. The blue curve has nothing to do with the market price of Bitcoin. It is only affected by the Bitcoin mining difficulty rate. This is alarming for every miner like me who wants passive income from Bitcoin mining. So who will suffer from this? The users like us, or the cloud mining companies, or both? Unfortunately, the answer to this is the users like us. There is very less chance that the cloud mining company will suffer. Why? Because they are getting their capitals back from all the investments we do while buying the mining contract. They are collecting their profit in the form of maintenance fee. Obviously, the companies have to be continuously active to ensure everything is working and they are covering their operational costs. The maintenance fee also includes their profit like salaries, incentives, and bonuses, which is shared among all the employees. They charge the fee in US dollars or their respective local currencies. So if the Bitcoin price is smaller, we pay larger amount of mined Bitcoin is fee, and if the Bitcoin price is larger, we pay lesser Bitcoin as fee. This is the best time to realize the effect of Bitcoin price on the fee we pay. This graph is again taken from my previous video on Hashflare. The link is in the description section. The graph shows the percentage of mined Bitcoin paid as fee. When Bitcoin price was higher in December 2017, the fee paid was in between 10 to 20%. When the price of Bitcoin decreased, the fee percentage increased from 20 to 40%, which can be seen from 15th of January 2018. 40%. This means we are paying slightly less than half of the Bitcoin we mined as fee. This is just huge fee. The fee can reach closer to 100% if mining difficulty continues to increase exponentially, and we can't do anything on that. It's in the contract. They will be charging a certain fee daily. Remember clicking on the tiny checkbox while buying the contract? We said we accept all the terms and conditions. In this case, only profit will be possible if the Bitcoin price will be very high, so that the fee in Bitcoin becomes insignificant compared to mined Bitcoin. And also the whatever small Bitcoin we will be able to mine, we can sell it in a large amount of money. Moreover, they reserve the right to change any existing terms and conditions, so they can modify the conditions anytime they want to make sure they are getting target profit. If we have mined for more than 2 months now, then most of us have experienced this sudden change in terms and conditions, like increase in price of buying mining contract, decreasing the mining contract duration. Now we are ready to know the answer of our questions. The first one was, is Bitcoin mining still a good source of passive income? It may look like a profit now, but the profit is about to decrease rapidly. So no, the mining is no more a good source of passive income. I will not buy any new mining contracts. I will not click on that reinvest button. Whatever I have invested in mining, that is it. I am not interested in adding more. The next question was, should I invest in mining or buying and holding Bitcoins? If I have some money to invest now and I have these two options, I will choose the second option of buying and holding the Bitcoin. For example, today the price of Bitcoin is around 9,000 US dollars. If I have $9,000 to invest in Bitcoin, I will for sure buy one Bitcoin and wait for price to increase, rather than investing $9,000 in cloud mining and waiting forever to mine one Bitcoin. Also, I will have complete control over whole one Bitcoin from today, and I can use it as I like. I know you got the point. So what will you do if you are in this situation? Alright guys, that's all for today's video. What do you think about the contents of this video? Please feel free to comment. I want to know your thoughts, suggestions and feedback. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to watch more of my videos in future, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on that bell icon to receive the notifications about my new videos. You can also follow me on Twitter or like my Facebook page. The links are in the description section below. See you all in the next video.